like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hi guys. If you're new here, I'm Deb. And I'm here today with a Balanced Discovery box. Now, this is a seasonal box. You get it 4 times a year. And they give you bits and pieces out of each other boxes. And just to kind of get, so you get some idea of what kind of stuff they have. Well, it's like $25 and it's free shipping. And this is another one I tell everybody. I found some life-changing things in this box, and I'll be honest with you, I would get this whether I had a channel or whether I didn't. This is one of the few that I would just continue regardless. And I just ordered it one day just to see what it was, and they're based in Canada, but that price includes your shipping. So you can't beat the price. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. And I mean, sometimes it's even fuller than this. And to me, this is quite full. But they always send you cards, you know, to tell you about your stuff, you know, because that's what they do. And the first thing I'm pulling out is we have 2 packages of Natural Calm Sleep and Magnesium powder. And, you know, magnesium is good for muscle cramps. And this is for sleep. Okay, then we got blender-free nut butter shake, and it's peanut butter. I don't personally like peanut butter. I mean, I'll eat it occasionally. Sometimes I'll get a craving for it, but I don't really like it for the most part. Okay, then we got these. And these are 2 little small bags of ground coffee. They're Miscellado brand. And this is Americano, 100% premium Arabica. I don't know what that means. And this is Americano Classic. And it is, oh, they're both 2 1/4 ounces. So, but I don't like coffee either, so I'll send that to somebody who does. Then we got BetterStevia Original 0 calories. And I'm assuming that's a sweetener. Yeah, liquid sweetener. And then we have magnesium spray by Bolton's. Now, magnesium spray is good. It's a good, they're calling it a skin toner. But magnesium spray is also good for muscle cramps. You know, you spray it on the outside of your skin, and it can help with muscle cramps. But, you know, when you're like me and I can't absorb everything, sometimes things have to go through my skin. Okay, then we got this. This is Hot and Spicy Heat Seeker Jalapeno Beef Stick from LK, certified free from top 9 allergens: milk, eggs, wheat, soy, peanuts, tree nuts, shellfish, fish, and sesame. Who knew sesame was one of the top 9? But I won't be able to eat that either, but somebody else will. Then we got a bottle of Nature's Bounty hair, skin, and nails. And they're vitamins. Vitamins are expensive. My one granddaughter used to take these religiously because she just didn't have. But I'll take them. You know, I have to take vitamins anyway. And then this is Urban Spa and it's Speaks Volume Shampoo and Hair Care with a Conscience is what it says. I'm assuming it's just, I think it's just, I'll tell you what it is. Hold on a minute. I think it's dry. Nope, it's not that. I don't know what this crap is. That's what it looks like. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a shampoo, just a regular shampoo. See, it's shampoo. I thought maybe it was dry shampoo, but I don't think it is. I think it's good old-fashioned shampoo. And it's, let's read what it says. Large and in charge. It's rich in omega-3, 6, and 9. Free from paraffin and all that crap. Yep. Probably should have gave you instructions so I wouldn't do that, but oh well. Yep. I'll use it. We'll see what happens. So anyway, that's my discovery box. Short, sweet. Because I got to get a mess. And I'm still baking. I'm trying to get done today what I can get done. Because I got today and tomorrow and I'm done. So anyway, that would be my discovery box. The Balance from the Balance Company. And they do have other boxes. They have lifestyle box. I thought about getting that one too. They have lifestyle for men and women. They have snack ones, health ones. You know, they have all kinds of them. So, you know, you may just want to check them out. I'll leave the link and everything down below. So, come on back. Like, subscribe, you know, do all the YouTube stuff. Old people need love too. Bye.